I'd like to introduce Mrs. Carla Dowling Fitzpatrick from the Blue and Gold Office of the United States Naval Academy. She is here to present the Naval Academy appointment to Senior Luke Nestor. Please come up.
Good morning. My name is Carla Dowling Fitzpatrick. I am a Blue and Gold officer, and I'm Deputy Area Coordinator for the United States Naval Academy. Is Luke Nestor in the room? Come on up, Luke. You know Luke. He's the man with the long hair that's about to be cut. Okay, so he has beautiful hair, but it's done. It's done. Okay. I too have some relationship with the United States Naval Academy. My son graduated from the Naval Academy in 2013, and he is currently a pilot. We don't know what Luke is going to ultimately be because he's just starting out. He's the class of 25 up there, but we're going to see, because guess what? He's going on about June the 30th. I'm so excited to introduce Luke, but it is my understanding that here at the United States Naval Academy, you've had quite a few individuals. This is not your first time out. It's not his first time out at the United States Naval Academy, but I kind of want to tell you about the significant honor. Very briefly, of course, the Naval Academy is not your typical four-year school. Since 1845, its mission has been to develop midshipmen into effective junior officers to serve as leaders and sailors or Marines. The mission of the United States Naval Academy is to develop midshipmen morally, mentally, and physically, and to imbue them with the highest ideals of duty, honor, and loyalty in order to graduate leaders who are dedicated to a career of naval service and who have the potential for future development in mind and character to assume the highest responsibilities of command, citizenship, and government. The application for the United States Naval Academy is amazing. I mean, you cannot even think about it being compared to the Common App or a regular application that, quite frankly, you might be able to do in a day or so. The academic application generally deals with your basic application, where it goes just basically to the admissions portal. You have to have medical, you have to be medically fit, so you have to be and have that kind of review by doctors. You have to have your teeth reviewed. You have to have your eyes reviewed. I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, they make you do all of this stuff, but ultimately, and they have to see that you can go. I mean, like run. They have to make sure that you can do all of that. So you have to do all of those things before they even look at you. About 16,000 individuals apply to the United States Naval Academy for only about 1,200 spots. The academic program begins with a core curriculum of you basically get, if you want to do English or history or so forth, you have when you graduate, a bachelor's of science and engineering. The core curriculum includes science, mathematics, engineering, and also you can take a core of humanities if you wish. All graduates receive a bachelor's of science degree and become commissioned officers in the United States Navy and the Marine Corps. Ethical and moral development is essential to the midshipman's education. No matter what the midshipmen do in later life, the USNA sharpens their talents and provides experience that prepare them for success and as future leaders. Now this year, Luke, with his long hair, thank God he did not have a situation where he had to apply and cut his hair first. Okay, because that wouldn't have been good. He was about 16,000 students from throughout the nation who applied, as I said, for 1,200 spots in the class of 2025. It's impressive for many, many reasons, but especially in this year, as this year was the year for COVID-19 pandemic. So far, there have been about 1,364 offers of appointment this year only. The admissions process is unique, requires each student to apply for also and receive a nomination, most commonly from a senator or a congressman. The good news is Luke received two, not one nomination, but two. He only needed one, but he received two. Got one from Portman, and he also got one from Troy Balderson, as well as a thoroughly successful medical examination, a pass for physical fitness that clearly indicates he can go, and we know he can go because he does so much good in swimming. Of course, with his submission of transcripts and all of the other responsibilities and academic credentials. I personally, as Blue and Gold officer, was extraordinarily impressed with Luke. My responsibility includes writing a full application write-up, basically, is what I have to do, a report. And I have to send it directly to the Naval Academy itself. I must mentor him if he needs mentoring. His application was fairly quick. It took about 2 weeks to complete. And so it includes comments, ranking regarding interests, motivation, leadership, responsibility, organizational skills, physical fitness, and oral communication. And of course, I ranked Luke extraordinarily highly. He wants to attend the academy basically because he just wants to serve his country, the United States of America. Praise God. As a highly motivated student, he also has served many hours in community service and is a history of being very, very helpful to others. He is a natural leader, not only about things that he does for himself and family, but also those around him. I think that Luke will be a very, very fine officer. I believe he will be someone who will be very relatable in command. An appointment to the United States Naval Academy is the equivalent of a full 4-year scholarship, including all tuition, all room and board, medical, dental, all benefits, a monthly midshipman stipend he also receives. He receives a direct appointment to the United States Naval Academy and will start, as I said, on June the 30th, and will be what's called a plebe. A plebe. And he will begin thereafter the summer in the fall. After the completion of the 4-year curriculum, he will receive a Bachelor's of Science degree in one of 25 majors, and he will earn a commission given to him by the President of the United States of America for the United States Navy or the United States Marine Corps. You know, I love what I do doing this. I get to witness this process from the start to the finish, and I'm extraordinarily proud to be here. Lightning has truly struck for this man. So get ready and be on your feet, and you should be very, very proud of Luke Nestor's achievements. On behalf of the United States Naval Academy, it is my distinct pleasure and honor to announce the appointment and to introduce Luke Thomas Nestor, who is the candidate right now for the United States Naval Academy, and I present him with his appointment slip.